Barbara Streisand.
Today's episode is all about the differences, the nuances, the separation between people and landscapes. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ.EPHQ with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times weird. Today's episode is all about the differences, the nuances, the separation between people and landscapes. Not to be confused with chicken, banana, chicken, banana. I knew I was gonna go there. I knew I was gonna do that. No, for real though, for real. Like, what are the differences, like how to photograph people as opposed to like landscapes? Well, first of all, landscapes don't talk smack and don't give you a hard time. They don't blink, and all the other human emotion stuff, poop emoji, that goes with it. But landscapes are what you make of it. So you need to get inside your brain and figure out what is in here. Ow, that hurts. To draw out of what is in front of you, whereas opposed to a person, a human being, not to be confused with a human being, but a human being, you can communicate what you are trying to get out of them. And in some cases, if you're confident enough, you can actually get in front of the camera and show them. Not all of you can do that, but you should, is all I'm gonna say. What do you think? Share downstairs in the kilt zone. Down there in the kilt zone. It's echoey in here today, like, wow, echoey. So share downstairs in the kilt zone and say what you think. Don't think what you say, but say what you think. And let's wrap it up. I'm like intrigued, like outside is drawing me outside because it is a clear blue sky. It's gorgeous. I was like blue like this painting. Blue outside. This is just a mashup of just crazy insanity for an episode. Oh my gosh. It's kind of weird, huh? It's kind of like the W in Raw 365. It's kind of weird. Okay. So if you're subscribing, thank you. Thank you very much. That was a golf clap. And if you're not subscribing, talk to the hand. You should be subscribing. And, remember to like, comment, share. And sharing is caring. Hit the bell for notifications on YouTube. And I think that's it. Yeah. Oh. Duh. And stay caffeinated. Aw, yeah. And I'll see you soon. Oh, by the way, I didn't need this for this episode, but I had a light standing by, red 5 standing by. Ciao. Okay, for real. Goodbye. Okay, goodbye. Just goodbye. There you go. Bye.